Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Best Pro. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best air hockey tables. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the AO Sports Air Hockey Game Table. This is an amazing air hockey desk. This is perfect for professional and intermediate degree participant. It functions a strong 120-volt motor which guarantees even air waft across the playing surface for top quality overall performance. The desktop is of PVC fabric which makes it scratch and dents loose. The desk capabilities incorporated LED lighting fixtures and sound consequences structures, making your recreation extra interesting. This air hockey desk also comes with 2 stickers and a couple of pucks which are LED enabled. The LED lights alternate mechanically while any player rankings a goal, making your recreation extra exciting. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Hathaway air-powered hockey table. Another air hockey desk well worth considering is the Hathaway, that's designed to decorate the hockey enjoy of each the expert and beginner gamers. This has a wonderful design, and the gambling surface is constituted of thick MDF. The layout of this desk is robust. The legs also made from MDF hardwood or L-form. This gives the desk a good guide. The desk comes with 110 VUL approved electric powered air blower device that guarantees the percent slides effortlessly throughout the gambling floor. At number 3, we have the Harville 7-foot Sports Air Hockey Game Table. Enjoy outstanding hockey recreation at the office or home with the Harville 7-foot Sports Activities Air Hockey Table that provided pleasant sport conditions. The surfaces of this desk are laminated to give a great PC soar at some stage in your competition and also help to add the sturdiness of the table. The gambling floor is made of a unique scratch-resistant and put-on-off material which guarantees long-lasting sturdiness of this desk. It also comes with an electronic scorer machine which has a sound outcomes choice, making your air hockey recreation greater, aggressive and exciting. At number 2, we have the MD Sports Air-Powered Hockey Table. Featuring an exquisite layout, this air-powered table is best for the current recreation rooms. This desk is fabricated from high-quality timber at the same time as the pinnacle playing surface is product of strong MDF. The floor has a gloss finish that promotes exact and clean slide of the percent. Moreover, this air-powered hockey table functions an electronic scoreboard gadget that continues tune of rankings in time. It also functions 110V blower motor for even air drift and rapid PC slide speeds. It has 4 adjustable legs that are very solid and stable. And finally, at number 1, we have the Fat Cat Pocky 7-feet air hockey, table tennis, and billiard table. This is a multi-games 3-in-1 recreation table combining air hockey, desk tennis, and billiards. This table is simple to trade because it has a special swivel generation. This multi-sport desk helps you to save area on your game room, permitting you to play 3 video games on one desk. The desk comes with all of the gambling add-ons that require for all the video games. This desk capabilities 110V powered dual electric blowers to ensure an even airflow across the playing floor. It is likewise easy to collect this table and is derived with a clean meeting manual to show you the way to do the assembling. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this air hockey tables, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.